real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga.
What's up, y'all? As y'all know, today is Sunday reset day. So I'm finna go ahead and get this house together, wash clothes, clean up, wipe everything down, bathroom, all of that. And I also just dropped a video today. Y'all gonna make sure y'all tune into that. But anyways, let's get right into it. First, I'm gonna put my clothes in the wash machine. I already got them separated and everything. I'm gonna throw them in the wash machine. So wash clothes, y'all. Like, this don't make no sense. Like, why do I have so many damn clothes? Right. That's the first load. Yeah. I only get this little bag because we're not gonna be home that long. We got a cruise coming up, so I just bought this little bag until I get back from my cruise next year. Goes back in the basket for the second load. And yes, I'm still in my pajamas because where am I going at today? Nowhere. Fuck. I gotta stop cursing. Y'all. I'm working on it. Finished. We're gonna put this back in the closet. And get the broom. Back here. I'm gonna put y'all back there. Should tell you bring me some syrup. Look like he done clean the room. Well, it look like he just throw the bed together, but it's whatever. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Just throw the bed together. I need to get a mop. Been to Walmart. Still ain't getting no mop. You just think everything is a joke. He high as mine. He think everything funny. Yeah. What? Where she going? What? I'll be high. I don't even smoke, so how can I be high? Smoke a hookah. That's all I do. I gotta get a new battery for my camera before I go on a cruise. Y'all, so the refrigerator clean, wiped down. So now we gotta put this stuff back in the refrigerator. All right, y'all. So they already had made the bed up. I'm just finished sweeping here, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks. over there. That's my little work area. So I don't know. I got no else room to put that at. But I'm gonna just sweep in here and I'm gonna show you how it look when we finish. Alright y'all, so I finally finished cleaning up my whole house and I'm finna show y'all what it look like. Kitchen clean. This is how everything looks. My dishwasher still running. Living room. Christmas tree over there. TV stand clear. My bedroom. Thing looking alright in here. Let me show y'all the bathroom. I'm gonna take that to the trash, but my boyfriend had cleaned the bathroom for me. But yeah, good vibes.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5, 6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy